Introducing FType Essence, Luceco's entry-level LED fire-rated downlight. Perfect for retrofit and trade installations, where project cost is a priority. Easy to install? Yeah, thanks to our clearly labelled terminals. Trade-rated, loop-in, loop-out wiring, and toolless installation with push-fit wiring, accompanied by a confidence-inspiring quick view window to check your wiring even after the cables are secured in place. FType Essence downlights are ideal for shallow ceiling voids due to their compact form factor, achieving a punchy 550 lumens. You will find these downlights bright and efficient. Dimmable? Of course. Available in warm and cool white color temperatures. IP65 rated, making them suitable for use in kitchens and bathrooms. And supplied with a slim, flat white bezel. Our feature-rich downlights are I-joist approved, building reg compliant, Part L compliant, backed by a 3-year warranty, plus way more. Luceco FType Essence, making downlight choices easier. Learn more at the Luceco website.